Notion free templates for students. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. First, go to Notion.com and log into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. It's free and only takes a few steps. Once you're in, look at the bottom left sidebar and click the Templates button to open Notion's full template gallery. In the search bar at the top, type school to find templates made specifically for students. To filter out paid options, click the price tag icon and select free. You'll now see a variety of layouts to help manage your assignments, deadlines, and study time all in one place. Scroll through and pick one that fits your style. For this tutorial, I'm choosing this study planner template. Click Add, and it'll be added to your left sidebar automatically. Just click on it to open. Inside, you'll get a full setup ready to go, including quick access links, sticky notes, a Pomodoro timer, stopwatch, and a customizable to-do list. You can also add deadlines, reminders, and break projects into smaller tasks.